Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. One of the questions we get is, hey, what kind of gas should I use in my car? Great question. So today we're driving a Toyota Tacoma, and on the cap it actually tells me exactly what to put in it. It's telling me to avoid E20 and avoid E85. I can use up to E15, okay? It also tells me whenever I'm done to tighten until one click so the check engine light doesn't come on due to an evaporative emissions leak. So because it doesn't tell me differently, I'm going to use the 87 grade of octane gas. There's going to be lots of different opinions on this. The thing of it is yeah, this might have more cleansers in it and be higher octane, different things like that. My truck doesn't necessarily need the 91, and because I run the 44K from BG through it on my oil changes, I know I'm getting plenty of detergents and stuff in my fuel. So in my case, I'm going to go with the 87 octane. It's 289. Now your particular vehicle may show something different. If the cap doesn't show it, the owner's manual will say it. You'll need to run 87, 89, 91, whatever. Whatever the manufacturer recommends is where that vehicle is designed to run the best to get the best fuel efficiency from. Just because I run a 91 grade fuel does not mean I'll get better fuel mileage. In fact, I probably won't get any better fuel mileage because this vehicle is programmed and designed that it doesn't need that high of an octane of fuel. Hope this helps. I'll see you in the next video.